Students, in my previous video we have done questions on triple integration. We did 2 questions. Now let's do 2 more questions. Now my first question is this. Again, using the same concept, since x and y are in the limit, it is the limit of z, and then I have here x in the limit, so this will become the limit of y, and the leftover will become the limit of x. So first I need to integrate with respect to z, then I need to integrate with respect to y, and then I need to integrate with respect to x. So this will be the order I will be following while integrating, right? So now let us start with the first step. So first and second integral I am not touching. 0 to under root 1 minus x square, which are the limits of x and y. So I will be integrating with respect to z. So x and y are the constant, and integration of z is z square by 2. The limit is 0 to under root 1 minus x square minus y square. And I am left with the integral with respect to y and with respect to x. Now let us put the limit. If you want, you can take 1 by 2 outside to avoid the confusions. So now 0 to 1, 0 to under root 1 minus x square. Now put the limit. Xy is a constant. If I put the limit here, it will be 1 minus x square minus y square minus 0. So that is gone. So dy dx. Now next round I will do the integration with respect to y. So 1 by 2 is sitting outside. 0 to 1. First let me open the bracket. So don't try to do the things orally. You may do the silly mistake. Better to write one extra step and get the accurate answer. And as I always tell, please pause the video, do it yourself, and just cross check the steps where you are getting stuck. So I have just opened the bracket. I have not done any integration. So xy, x cube y and minus xy cube. And see, you observe my habit. After doing, I am always cross checking. Even when I write the final answer, I do cross check overall the question, and many times I correct my mistakes because directly I will be solving live only while recording. Okay. Now let's come to the next step, so that you should learn from my mistakes. Whatever a mistake I am doing, they are the common mistakes. So you have to take care of all those things. Okay. Now I will integrate with respect to y. So here in the first term, x is a constant, integration of y is y square by 2. Put the limit 0 to under root 1 minus x square. Minus x cube, integration of y is y square by 2. Limit 0 to under root 1 minus x square. Okay. Then minus x, integration of y cube is y to the power 4 by 4. 0 under root 1 minus x square. Now next step, I will put the limits. So x by 2. Okay, so it will become 1 minus x square minus x cube by 2, 1 minus x square minus x by 4, 1 minus x square square. Okay, and dx. So before integrating, I need to open this bracket and simplify it. Then only I should integrate. Don't try to do it directly. X by 2 minus x cube by 2 minus x cube by 2. Then plus x to the power 5 by 2. Okay, we will cross check this again. Now here, minus, I am putting like this. This I will be opening by a minus b whole square. So what I will get, I will write the answer here. So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. And this has to be multiplied by x by 4. Right, so I'll write answer here now, and obviously I will take care of this minus sign also. So first term will be minus x by 4. Second term will be minus x to the power 5 by 4. Third term will be minus will become plus. So plus x cube by 2. Right, so once again let me check. First term is x by 2, correct. Second term is minus x cube by 2, correct. Then minus x cube by 2, correct. Then plus x to the power 5 by 2, correct. And this is we have done, right? So now I can integrate. Before integrating, if you want to merge the terms, you can merge, or after integration also you can merge. But then the numbers will be increased in the denominator. So your LCM part will trouble you. So better one more step I'll write, I'll simplify, and then I'll integrate. Do I have x anywhere? This and this are the x terms, right? So if I take the LCM, 2 will come here. So 2x minus x will be x. So x by 4. So this term is gone and this term is gone. Always mark when you are simplifying the terms. Okay. Now this is x cube by 2 and this is minus x cube by plus x cube by 2. So this term and this term is gone. So I am left with minus x cube by 2. Right. Then last term, these two terms I have, if I take the LCM, so it will become plus x to the power 5 by 4. Because here 2 will come, subtraction will give me this. Okay, dx. So now I am left with only 3 terms to integrate. Right. Now let me integrate these 3 terms and I have to integrate with respect to x now. So 1 by 2 is sitting outside. So x square by 8 minus x to the power 4 by 8 plus x to the power 6 by 24. Okay. Now limit is 0 to 1. So again put the limit. 1 by 2 is there. I can take actually 8 also common. So it will become easy for me to simplify inside. So I have now x square minus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 upon 8 3s are 24. So 3 is left. Limit 0 to 1. So here I'll solve here only. So 1 by 16. Okay. Now take the LCM. Oh sorry, put the limit. So I'll have 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 0. So all 3 terms will become 0. Plus 1 minus 1 gone. So 1 by 16 into 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 6 is 18, 8 1 carry by 3 is 48. So this is my answer. Simple. Let's move to the next question. Now this question is very important and very simple question. This you can directly start integrating and put the limits since all the limits are constant. So order will not affect the things. But before starting, I'll tell you one small trick. We all know that if there is an even function, then minus a to a fx dx is equal to 2 integral 0 to a fx dx. So this is a property of integrals, right? So here I can see all are squares, so they are even functions. So I can apply this property on all the 3 integrals. What it will do, it will reduce my effort because putting the limit as 0 is easier as compared to putting it as minus a, minus b or minus c. Right? So I'll apply this property on these 3 integrals. So 2, 2, 2. So 8 I'll get, right? So my question will be reduced to 8, 0 to c, 0 to b and 0 to a. X square plus y square plus z square dz, dy, dx. Order does not matter because all the 3 limits are constant. So let me first integrate with respect to z. So x square z limit is 0 to a plus y square z limit is 0 to a plus z cube by 3 limit 0 to a. Okay. So what is left? Left is dy and dx. Now let us apply the limits. So 8 integration x square a plus y square a plus a cube by 3 and dy dx. Okay. So now 8. Now integrate with respect to y. So x square a is a constant. So y. And what is the limit of y? 0 to b. Plus I am integrating with respect to y. So a is a constant. Y cube by 3. Limit is 0 to a. So you have to be very clear with respect to which variable you are integrating. Don't get confused here. Right? So y and 0 to b. See, here I did a mistake. So this type of small mistake you should not do. Okay. Now apply the limit. So 8 integral. So here when you put b, you will get x square ab plus a by 3 b cube plus a cube by 3 b and the limit is for x dx. Right? Now again integrate with respect to x. So now ab is a constant, x cube by 3 limit. What is the limit of x? 0 to c plus ab cube by 3x 0 to c plus a cube b by 3x 0 to c. Right? Now let us apply the limit. So the first term is ab c cube by 3 plus ab cube c by 3 plus a cube b c by 3. Right? So next step, I can take a b c by 3 common. So what is left now? C square plus b square plus a square, which is my answer. Right? Check the answer. See? So we are done. So this question, even if I don't apply this property, I'll get the answer. Only my steps will be more. It will become little lengthy. That's it. Remaining is perfectly okay. So now we have done 2 questions. In my next video, I'll be doing 2-3 more questions. Right? So next question, I will be attempting this. And after this, I will be doing few questions which are based on polar limit. So there only, since we are not used to, we do certain mistakes. So that carefully we will be doing, and we will be done with the topic of triple integration, and after that I'll do few questions on area and volume. Subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification whenever I will upload the videos. Thank you.